It's boxer turned footy tragic Danny Green against South Barwon Swans under-12's most improved player, Dave Thornton. Folks, after 2 gruelling rounds, it's come to the heat of the kitchen here at Crown Towers, where the deciding rubber will be adjudicated by who's cooking the best steak. And at stake is a magnificent ride courtesy of Corsaire helicopters. And our head chef at Crown Towers, Sean, has the unenviable task of declaring a winner. Cook!
Men usually don't do this, but do you want to compare the size of our meat? I think mine's bigger.
Well, game on, Thornton.
Oh, a couple of herbs, eh? Didn't see this one coming, did you?
That, my friend, looks like a bit of... It smells like a bit of thyme.
Thyme on your thigh. You're good with your fists. Couldn't you tenderise yours right now? I'm turning.
He's a rookie, this bloke.
There, I did it. Oh, that looks amazing!
Mine's medium rare.
Mine's fully awesome!
I've prepared my coals at a consistent heat across here.
Oh no, too quick, too quick. You see?
You're worried.
Nah, I'm not worried.
You're nervous.
Nah, I got this. I think she's done.
A bit of garnish across here. The steak needs a lot of love, a lot of tender care.
Oh, that smells like victory. That's what that smells like.
Let's have a look. It's all about the flavour. This really is not up to Crown standards. It's absolutely terrible. Let's have a look at this one then. Oh wow, it cooks beautifully. Oh, have a look at that.
I can see it.
That's amazing.
I tell you what, I think we've got a winner.
And the winner is Mr. Danny Green.
What? Ah, that's it. Down here all bloody night. I'm a champion boxer. Whatever, mate.